So many people will always cry they have damaging after relaxing their hair. It's the method you take on combing your hair while the relaxer is still there, because the relaxer is... Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video. Guys, on today's video, it's all about my hair treatment. So many of you out there have been asking me what I use on my hair to make my hair grow, my hair treatment and all the rest. So for today, I will start a video on how I always treat my hair. You'll be seeing more of video on how I grow my hair, what kind of products I use on my hair and all the stuff, because I know so many ladies out there that have been DMing me on Instagram, on Snapchat. Girl, how do you grow your hair? So for today, I want to be relaxing my hair because my hair is a relaxed hair. First and foremost, my hair, it's not virgin, because I've been having so many questions coming in. Anora, is your hair still a virgin hair, or do you put relaxer on your hair? What I do is I relax my hair twice a year. Okay, I don't relax my hair often, so twice a year I put this product, this olive product, on my hair. So for today, I will show you guys how I always relax my hair. So for all those who are interested in seeing how I always do it, please just keep watching. And thank you, the new and old subscribers, for tuning into my channel. I appreciate you all out there. You all are most appreciated, and please do not forget to always show some love. Okay, always make sure you subscribe if you are new here. Okay, subscribe so you don't miss anything when I upload. And guys, so this is how the package is looking like. In this carton, I got me some conditioner right here. I got me some mousse right here. I got me some gloves right here. You know, to relax your hair, you need some gloves. So I got me some shampoo right here, and I got me some activator right here. I got me some oil too right here. Oil, when you want to style your hair, you will definitely need this. And I got me some instruction paper right here. I don't need this because I've been doing my hair all alone, so I definitely do not need it. But if you knew, you definitely will read the instruction from here and you used it. I think my box is empty. I'll just drop it down there. And you make sure you always go with the both, okay? You always take your activator and your products together. So let's just move now to the mixing. And when going in your mixing, you have to take it. If you're using the whole package of this, you need to pour in all of your activator. Okay, that's one thing you should know for sure. Okay, so I'll just go in and mix it, and I will be back. So as you can see, I just pour in everything. So when you're done with your mixing, this is how it should be looking like. It should be looking like ice cream. But guys, you should keep this away from children because this is so very dangerous. Okay, so I'll just get into now and start applying on my hair. As you can see, I part my hair already into 4 parts. So take off this, and guys, if you see me looking this all the way, you know your hair is on the mirror. Okay, I'll start by just swapping this off. This is what I'm just doing right here, and I will take some quantity here and apply it from around. So this is the method I always relax my hair. Like whenever I'm relaxing my hair, this procedure I will always take. Better still, I should just stand on the mirror right here instead of turning around. So I'll just head it this way and apply it. And always make sure you don't put it on your scar. If you have a soft scar like mine, always make sure you avoid the product from touching your scar. If you have a soft scar like mine, you just break it this way and you apply it. So that's it. You have to do the same process all on the 4. When I'm done with this, I'll just go in and try to massage it a little bit. And that's it. I'll move now to the next one. So guys, from this level where your 4th session of hair, it's been soaked with product, you've applied product on the 4th session, you just go in now and do the same process. Just go ahead and start doing it, but now you do it more gently to avoid breakage. So go in this way and you cut it so little. Okay, you don't need to hurry up on this one. You don't need to hurry up, because if you do, you're gonna break your hair. So you just take it and you start from the tips So I'm just doing the same process. I always avoid product on the tips of my hair because my tips are so very fragile and soft, so I always apply it from there, like when I'm almost done with all of my hair. So you always start from the tips. When applying relaxer on your hair, start from the tips, as you can see, making your way through. So when you get there now, you just put some more product, go in now with the next. So that's what you do. So the perfect way to comb your hair when relaxing your hair, you start from the tips. I always advise you to start from the tips of your hair. Like when you take it from the tips of your hair, you avoid breaking. You definitely will avoid breaking on the hair. So you take it and make your way gently right through. So this is the exact step you have to take in all of the hair when the product is being applied on the hair. As you can see, I'm taking my way. When you take this step, you just bring it through, you go in with the next step. And you take it so gently, guys. Do not hurry up when you're relaxing your hair. So many people will always cry they have damage after relaxing their hair. It's the method you take on combing your hair while the relaxer is still there, because the relaxer is to make your hair soft. So when your hair is soft and it's fragile and you take a comb and just put it right up to the roof of the head and you're just pulling it, that will always give you breakage. Okay, so always try your best to take this process. So if you take this process, guys, I promise you, you hardly have damage on your hair. You will have your straight and long and nice hair that every black girl has been crying for. So this is it. When I try to put you some product on the hair. Once, as you can see. And always make sure you get you this short hair on your back, neck. Always make sure to grab those ones, because those ones can I can't really figure it out, but I know I have taken them all. And from your ear corner, those are the most essential parts that you might leave for hair there, so you make sure you concentrate on them, the both sides. And if you still have some product, just go in and put it on your tips. If you have that tips like mine, because my tips of my hair, it's so fragile, guys. Like that's all the last part. I'll always apply product when I'm doing relaxing the tips of my hair, because it's so soft and fragile. So guys, I think that will be all about the video. I finally used all the product. As you can see, the cup is almost empty. I'm just going in now with the leftover product. I think we are done with this, guys. So when I'm done with this, I will just let it sit for at least 10 minutes and I will jump into my shower and wash the hair. Yeah, so guys, when I am done with the product on my hair, I will just go in now in the shower and I get my hair wet. So guys, the hair now it's half dry, so I think that is all about the video for today. So I'll just go in and comb the hair. I know so many people would like to roll the hair, do a straightening, like do a babyliss on the hair, straighten the hair out, but I always avoid heat. So after this, I'm just gonna let the hair sit for at least 2 days before I go in and I braid the hair. So that will be all about the relaxing video and all the rest. I hope you loved the video. I hope the video was helpful to someone. It's still not yet dry. Finally the hair got dry, and it got half dry as I told you guys. So this is how it turns out, and this is how my hair is. Right now the hair is still not perfectly dry, as you can see from this. The hair is so relaxed and so soft, and I really so love the product. I've been using this olive product like for a very long time now, and it's so perfect on my hair, and I love the way it really treats my hair. It grows my hair well, no breakage and nothing. So thank you guys so very much for watching. That will be all about the video for today. Okay, so but I'll be coming up with more of video on how I grow my hair, products I use on my hair, treating my hair oil and all the rest. For all those who have been asking all the questions, your questions will definitely be answered. So please always make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't want to miss anything from this girl when I upload. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video. And for the new subscribers, thank you guys so very much. I see you out there. You are so much welcome in my channel. I do a lot of stuff, like I do everything about me, you know, anything that concerns me. I do vlogging, I do talk, I do cooking video, and everything on this channel. So you're much welcome into the everything's channel. So I will see you guys in my next video. Stay positive, stay blessed, and always keep your head straight. Always remember to do what? Drink you some water and mind you your own business. Thank you. Peace out.